In this video, we'll look at how to create an installment payment. These payments are really useful when you want to spread the cost of a larger payment over several installments. For example, our customer Mary wants to spread the cost of an annual insurance policy over 12 months. There are two main ways you can create an installment. You can create one from the Create Payment button on the left-hand menu. Select Installment Payment. Choose if you'd like to charge a new or existing customer. Let's choose a new customer this time. From here, we can simply enter the details of the installment we want to create, including the total value, the number of installments, and how often we want to charge them. When you're ready, click Continue. Check the breakdown of payments, and if you're happy, click Create Payment. From here, you can copy the link to share with your new customers, or download the QR code to display for people to sign up in person. Alternatively, we can create an installment for existing customers by choosing Existing Customers in the Create Installment Payment menu. Then, choose the customer you'd like to charge. Or, you can go to your customers page and choose the customer you'd like to charge by clicking into their page. You'll want to go to the three dots drop-down menu on the right and choose Create Installment Payment. From here, we can simply enter the details of the installment we want to create, including the total value, the number of installments, and how often you want to charge them. You can choose for payments to start as soon as possible or pick your own start date. What's so unique about installment payments is that not every individual installment has to be the same value as long as the total is the same. This gives us the flexibility to charge Mary a deposit of £100 for her first payment. Now we're happy with our payment, let's click Create Payment. And now we're all set up and we can go ahead and start collecting from Mary. Our installment payment is successfully created and we'll start collecting from your chosen date. After a short while, Mary will be sent an email much like this one confirming their new installments. Thanks for watching.